Hey, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Dad's Gone Crypto. Today, I'm going to be talking about a new community coin that recently launched on the Solana blockchain. And I've also got some exciting news about the free wallet contest that I told you guys about a few weeks ago. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So jumping right in, if you've been in crypto for even a little while, then I'm sure you're familiar with the term Wen, W-E-N. I'm sure you've seen a million Telegram or Twitter posts with people saying when moon, when launch, when just about anything that they're impatient about. Well, that brings us to this cute little cat and Wen coin. Look at that cute little cat. Now, at first, I thought this was just your average meme token when I first saw it launch. But then started doing a little bit of research, and I see that, there's a little bit more to this. It's not just your average meme token. It's the first community coin based on a fractional NFT. So what they did was that little cat, wrote a little love poem here to all the Wen bros, which, basically is all those people constantly saying when this, when that. So the cat wrote a nice little poem here. And what the Wen Foundation did was split that poem into 1 trillion pieces. So they basically made a fractionalized NFT out of that poem. And those trillion pieces are all now Wen coins. So you can see that each Wen token equals proportional ownership in this poem. So every Wen token is 1/1 trillionth of a piece of that poem, basically. And you can see here, it's not just a community token. It was born to push the limits of Solana. So it's the first community token based on a fractional NFT. It's the first official launch on Jupiter's LFG launchpad. And it was the first NFT minted on the WNS NFT standard. And the way they went about this was they did an equal distribution of over 1 million active Solana wallets. So it was basically, they started this with an airdrop to all the active Solana wallets out there. Their tokenomics, show that it was a very simple. They dropped 70% of their supply, their liquidity pool and treasury holding the other 30%. But then, as you can see here, because all of those tokens were not claimed, because a lot of people didn't know what Wen was at the time, they ended up burning over 300 billion Wen tokens. So, 30% of the total supply got burned. So as we read a little more into this, we see the Wen Foundation. And as we're reading here on their website, the Wen Foundation is a group dedicated to giving back to the Solana community by supporting the development of public goods and further amplifying the message of what is only possible on Solana. So the Wen Foundation's first contribution is Wen New Standard, WNS. It's an open source NFT standard meant to be expanded by any and all members of the community. So basically, they've made a community NFT standard that anybody in the Solana community can use and create their own NFTs with. Very, really cool concept, I think. And you can see here that when they launched this, there were no team allocations or compensations for early contributors. And, very simple breakdown. 70% of the tokens went to the community airdrop, 30% went to the LP strategic reserve, and the core focus is on giving back to Solana. So this little coin really kind of piqued our interest here at Dad's Gone Crypto. We had some conversations about it, and it's, it just seems like a little more than your standard everyday meme coin. So we decided to go ahead and invest a little bit in this. And that brings me back to our wallet contest. So if you remember, a few weeks ago in our Getting Started series, I was teaching all the newbies out there how to set up a hot wallet. And when I did that, I showed the key phrase to the wallet that I was setting up and blocked out 4 of those keywords. So we've loaded that wallet up with 5 million Wen tokens. No idea what those 5 million Wen tokens are going to be worth. I will say that Wen is on the rise. If you go take a look at their chart, they've been doing pretty well. And it's one that we kind of want to get behind. So we put 5 million tokens in there. And if you go down in the description here, look for the link to that episode. You'll be able to go back, watch the episode, find that wallet address and see if you can be the first one to decode that wallet address and win those 5 million tokens. So later today, I'm going to be posting this in our Telegram chat, and I'm also going to be posting a little clue to lead you to that first keyword. So use the link below in the description to join our Telegram chat. Later on today, there's going to be a little riddle to get you to that first keyword. There's 4 words out of the key phrase that are hidden. The first one's going to be revealed today if you can solve the little riddle. So get in there, learn that one, and then keep following us so you can figure out those other 3 words in the key phrase, unlock that wallet, and those 5 million Wen tokens can be yours. So if you're looking to get into the Solana blockchain at all, or just, want to check out a fun community token, get out there, check out Wencoin, go join their Telegram chat and see what they're all about. Join our Telegram and figure out those key phrase words and, try to be the first one to unlock this wallet and win all those Wen tokens. Good luck, guys. See you next time.
The material and information presented in this recording are for entertainment purposes only. Do not misconstrue what you hear as investment or trading advice. Always do your own research. The views, thoughts, and opinions expressed by the guests on this recording are their own and do not necessarily reflect those of Dad's Gone Crypto or its hosts.